Today's our lecture is on a color grading. A color grading is basically a scheme of colors which make a video pretty cool and a pretty good colors. Let's suppose this is my video and I want to make a good colors in this video. So simply double right click on this video and go to a color. So here if you want to hide the temperature of the video, so you can simply hide, and this one is a color. So let's get to the tone. So this is a simple basic color correction, like contrast is good, so I want to make it 80%, and saturation, more accurate colors, and the brightness the brightness is good. As you see that the colors are more good enough. Slide down and here is a 3D light. 3D light is some effects of the colors like 0007 series, Batman. These are basically some good effects if you want to add in your video photo. So this was a color grading. Let's back to the chroma effect. Chroma effect basically another effect of a video. As you see that the background will cover in the black color, and this one is a tolerance. You can simply play with the colors and some good effects, then your video will be more good. If I want a yellow color, and here as you see that my background color is changing. Okay, another step is in auto enhance. Auto enhance is a feature basically that will enhance your video automatically, add more good colors, and this one is a pretty good. If you want your video opacity low, so simply you can go to the compositing and lower the opacity. Your video's opacity will low. If you want to rotate your photo, if you want to rotate your video, so you can simply rotate and change angle, so you can simply change your angle of the video. HSL is basically changing the colors. This is my video. As you see that the frame of the bicycle is red. If I want to change the color, so I will simply click on the red, and as you see that the red color is changing. Let's suppose this is my video. As you see that there are many colors in my video, and if I want to change a color in my video, this frame of a bicycle is red. Let's suppose I want to change into a pink or a red, so I will simply slide this bar, and this is a saturation. As you see that it's make more wonderful effect in this video. And this one is a luminance. Luminance means that the brightness of the video, and I will play brightness of the video.